Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims of the Who Dat Teacher of New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. Let me go ahead and tell you the dance, because sometimes I forget. It's called the motto. Okay, there's 4 parts. It's a one-wall dance, and there's a change at the end. Instructors, you can definitely teach your beginners this dance. There's nothing tricky in this dance, and definitely a program for intermediate also. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing, please call 504-251-0674 as a friendly reminder. If you're interested in dancing with the music, then make sure you have the steps. Watch till the end. Let's dance together. Make sure you leave a comment, and want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video. And here we go, guys. So let's start on this wall here. So stand on this side. We're dancing side to side. We don't have to look back. All right, we're just standing side to side. Okay, facing in this direction. We're going to start with a basic. This first part, we're going to do it all 4 walls. So you're going to cross over left over right, right over left, out and in with a turn, out and in with a turn, and that's on the left. This is what we're going to do. We cross 1 and 2, which is left, right, left, right, out and in, turn, out and in, stay. And that's all of part 1. So what did I do? My weight is on the right. Left, right, left, out and in, turn, right, out and in. Now, when I turn, I'm kind of putting my weight to the front, okay? My heel come up slightly when you do that turn. As a tip, when you turn, whenever you turn, your weight needs to go to the front, okay? To the ball of your feet, out and in. See how my heel comes up when I turn? That weight got to come up. That weight got to go forward to the ball of your feet when you turn, okay? So you won't feel it in your knees, okay? So part 1, we do it all 4 walls. So let's do it. Weight is on the right, cross over, left, right, out and in, turn, out and in, stay. Then we do it again, cross over, left, right, out and in, turn, out and in, stay. And that's the left leg. Cross it again, left, right, left, out and in, turn, left, out and in, stay. You're looking back at me, but of course you already know the step. Cross over on the left, left, right, out and in, turn, out and in, stay. Now, when you do that last one, I want you to bring your weight to the left, okay? So it looks like this. Out and in, turn, out and in, weight to the left, okay? Because we're getting ready to change over to part 2, and we're gonna, we need that weight to be on the left, okay? So that's it. So make sure you're doing a quarter turn with your left shoulder going back. So let's put it all together, and we'll move on. From the top, 5, 6, 7, cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, turn 6, 7 and 8. Do it again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, turn 6, out 7 and 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, turn 6, 7, 8. My weight goes to the left. Okay, now we're going to tap out. Right, left, scuff, right, left. Right, left, scuff, right, left. So we did side taps. Right, left, we scuff on the right, and we go down, right, left. We do that twice. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you go right, left, you scuff a brush, scuff on that right, and it comes, your right knee comes up and you come down, right, left. You do it again, right, left, scuff, right, left. From here, you're going to do a salsa. Up right, back right, side salsa, out right, and out left. Okay, so let's put both of those together. Kick out to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, side 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go back to the top. We're almost there. Okay, so this is a one wall dance. So part 1, although we moved it to 4 walls, it doesn't matter. It's based on when you start the dance over. When we start this dance over, we'll remain and we'll come back to this front wall. So that what makes it a one wall dance, okay? When you start the dance over from the top, whatever wall you're at determines if it's a 1 wall, 2 wall, 4 wall dance, okay? All right, so let's start from the beginning. Crossing over on the left, the weight is on the right. 5, 6, 7, cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, out 5, turn 6, out 7 and 8. Left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Right. Did you forget? Tap out right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do a rocking chair. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5. And then we tap rocking chair. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, tap 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now here we go. We start all over again. So guess what? This isn't a 1 wall dance. It's a 4 wall dance. Moving counterclockwise. All right. So I told you 1 wall because I wanted to do the correction while we were doing the dance. Okay. Now, so what did I do? We did a rocking chair. Up right, back right, and tap to the next wall. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The dance starts over at this wall. So, what does that mean? It isn't a 1 wall dance. It's going to be a 4 wall dance. We're going to start over again, okay? Remember I told you, whatever wall you're at, when you start the dance over, determines if it's a 1, 2, or 4 wall dance. So this is a 4 wall dance, okay? Perfect. So let's start over again and get to our next wall. This dance moves counterclockwise, okay? So I told you 1 wall, so I can show you by teaching you it is a 4 wall dance, and we'll get to that. Okay, so let's start it over again. 5, 6, 7, cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Side tap. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, what do we do from here? We start the dance over. Okay? Now, if you leave me a comment telling me that this is not a 1 wall dance, that lets me know you don't watch the whole video. Okay? This is a 4 wall dance. We at this wall right here, the dance starts over. So we're going to cross over. We're going to do the same thing we did at this wall. We're going to do it at this wall. When we finish, we're going to wind up here. When we start over the dance over again, we're going to wind up here. We're going to start the dance over again, and then we're going to be here. When we come here, there's a slight change. Just 1 change to end the dance at this wall here. So let's get there. So now we're here. Now we go back to the top, right? Crossing over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, turn 6, 7, 8, cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, turn 6, 7, 8, left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, out 7 and 8, cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, turn 6, 7, 8, kick. 1, 2, 3 and 4, kick. 1, 2, 3 and 4, salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, the weight goes to the right. Okay? So my right shoulder move forward, the dance move counterclockwise. I'm at my next wall. What do I do again? I start the dance over with the crossover. All right? When I finish, I do the same thing that I did this wall here, I'm gonna do the same at each wall. Okay? Then I'm gonna come here and start the dance over again. Now I'm gonna come back here. Let me show you what happens here. All right? So at each wall, you're gonna do the same thing. Start the dance over, 4-wall dance. We come back here, this is our 5th wall, second rotation. Okay, when you get back to the same wall that you started, the second time is the second rotation. So what we do, we cross over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Kick out on the right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's the change. This is what you're going to do when you come back to this wall. Again, it's going to be right before you end the dance, okay? Now we're going to do the part where you cross over, what I just did, all 4 walls. You come back, you kick out right, left, scuff, right, left, scuff, right, left. Salsa, front and back, and then out to the side. Now, we normally do that rocking chair. This is what we're going to do. We're going to rock up, rock back, and turn to the front. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pivot, 7, 8. Okay, so we rock up, we rock back, recover, and turn, pivot, half turn. Okay, so the right shoulder goes up, the right shoulder go back, half turn, rock back, recover, step, pivot, and come back to the front. Then you'll do a cross and kick. Cross and kick, cross and kick, kick. Right, left, scuff, right, left. In the dance. Okay, that is your change. Up 1, 2, back 3, 4, 5, 6, pivot 7, 8, cross. 1 and 2, 3, kick 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in the dance. That's the change. So that's when you do all 4 of your walls moving counterclockwise. So when you come back here, you cross over all 4 walls, come back to the front, you kick out right, left, scuff, right, left, scuff, right, left. Salsa, and salsa out to the side. And you rock up, rock back, recover, pivot, half turn, cross and kick, right over left over right, out to the side, right, left, scuff, right, left. End of dance. That's called the motto. So there's 4 parts and there's 1 change when you come back to this wall. So I want you to watch the demo, let's dance together, and you know exactly what I'm talking about. Make sure you leave a comment. If it's a little dark in here, I apologize. It's an overcast today. You know, I always use the natural light. but there's overcast, there's no sun. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.